It was flipping houses that got you to where you are. It was flipping houses that got you out of debt. It was flipping houses that got you to the next level. Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo The Elite Strategist, and you're listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. And in this episode, I want to share with you the 3 keys to building wealth through real estate investing. I travel in a lot of spaces with a lot of multifamily investors. There's one thing that kind of annoys me, and I didn't realize this the other day. A lot of the guys that I have on this podcast come on here. I'm going to say 95% of them would say that they started in real estate investing flipping houses. And they kind of poo-poo on flipping houses. Oh, I don't flip houses anymore because you don't create wealth. Well, that's bullshit. I'm gonna just tell you right now, that's bullshit. And it really freaking annoys me. Number one, because I still flip houses. I actually enjoy flipping houses, right? If you're watching and you're saying and you're listening, it was flipping houses that got you to where you are. It was flipping houses that got you out of debt. It was flipping houses that got you to the next level. So don't poo-poo on it now because you own however many doors or however many hundreds or thousands of doors. Flipping houses is very profitable. Yes, it's very risky. I will admit that. Yes, it is a job. That is all correct. Yes, you pay higher taxes. Correct. All of those things check off. All of those things are right. If you're going to address why flipping houses is not the best strategy, those are the things that need to be said. Number one is start now and get educated. Learn how to do these things, right? You cannot win a game that you don't understand how to play. You can't win at something you don't know the rules. Understand the money game, understand the real estate game, get the skill set, learn the numbers. What does a good deal look like? What do the bankers want? I have a course, you can get it, it's in the links below, and go and learn, right? I teach all of this stuff there. Key number 2 is start wholesaling, start somewhere, right? Graduate from that, learn how to find deals. So learn how to understand the numbers. If you don't know anything about real estate, learn there. Learn how to market, learn how to find deals. Go and learn how to wholesale and then find and connect with guys like myself that are actually buyers that can buy, that can close and can execute, and learn what we're looking for. Let's be freaking real here. If you're a broke person and you ain't got no money, right? Like I ain't had no money. So start, right? Learn a skill. So learn how to wholesale. That's the lowest hanging fruit, guys. And number 3, what you ultimately want to be doing is you want to be buying property and holding them long term. Yes, you want to start wholesaling. Yes, you want to do some flips, right? Because the flips is the quick banger, is the quick cash, right? 50, 60, 100, 80, 70, right? You guys are listening to me, right? Regular people, regular working people, not these guys that own 500, 600, not guys playing at my level, right? Or above. We both know that 50 grand, 60 grand, one flip a year is freaking life changing, right? You have your job or you have your little 9 to 5 or you're doing your thing. You flip one house and you get the skill, and you flip 2 houses and right, freaking 100,000, 60,000, 50,000 extra in your pocket. It's life changing. And if you keep building on those skills, right, and you keep learning and you keep adding more knowledge and you keep adding more knowledge and you keep adding more knowledge, it will compound. Before you know it, you can quit your job. You ain't gonna start buying a 100-unit apartment building. I didn't start with my first freaking buying a 57 unit. I did not start there. I started wholesaling properties. I started going to meetups. I started freaking just learning. I started running around with my mentors, learning. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. You're listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast, the home where people come to learn how to create wealth through real estate investing. I hope you found value in this video. I really hope I gave it to you from the heart. Share it, like it, leave us a comment. Let's unpack it. If you see something different here that I might have missed, let's talk about it. If you disagree with me, also let's talk about it. You have the right to disagree with me. This is just my path. This is what I think. And I think that being a broke ass, poor ass, coming from nothing ass kid, this was the path I took. I think that if you duplicate it and you go and you work hard and you do kind of what I did, I think you can make it. I'm not something special guy. I just work hard and I study. I'm committed to getting better and better every single day. If you do the same, you can do it. Thanks again for listening. Appreciate you guys. Peace out. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. If you want to continue to watch videos like this one, click this video right here. I think you would enjoy that. And if you want to continue to learn how to create wealth through real estate investing, check out my online course. It's in the links below. It's how to get your first off-market deal in under 60 days or less. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Peace out.